Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, hey! You're the new recruit. Mr. Krabs is just telling me about you. Welcome to the Krusty Krab. Today I'll be showing you to go ahead and how to handle the cash register. That's right, this here is an expensive piece of material in which you have to be extra careful, otherwise Mr. Krabs is going to be very upset. Now, I'll be showing you how to go ahead and use it, as well as how to go ahead and ring up customers. So, for starters, we'll be starting off with Patrick.
Oh, boy,
hey,
boy, boy.
Patrick.
Hi,
What would you like to order today?
one Krusty Krab Patty, please.
All right, so one Krabby Patty. Now, the way that works is simply go out and push the button, tick, 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 tick. Pretend like you're doing something, tick, 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 tick. And then you just go ahead and give them the total, $5.
Here we go.
All right, thank you. And then we'll go ahead and tell Squidward over here what our order is. Hey, Mr. Squidward,
What do you want, Spongebob?
can I get one Krabby Patty, please?
I don't care. Here we go.
All right, order up. All right, here we go.
Thank you.
Thank you, have a good day. Just like that, it is that easy. Now you're ready to go ahead and handle the cash register all yourself. Thank you, bye.